This is Linux, but it's running from my web browser. So there's this website called distroc.com, which lets you run lots of popular Linux distros on just your web browser, completely for free, and you don't need to install anything. If we scroll around for a little bit, we can see that most of the Linux distros are on here. I mean, most of the popular ones. And there's also FreeBSD. So let's say I want to try out Zorin OS. Let's click on that one and let's go for Core 64.18 version. And when we want to try an operating system out, we have to wait in a queue. You're in position 1. Continue. Okay, and now the system is booting. But also, if we look right here, there's like a sidebar with some customizations. Quality, the highest quality, and compression. Let's keep it like this. Try Zorin OS, install Zorin OS, let's try it out. But this kind of service is meant more for testing and experiments and something quick to do. It's not like something to use every day. Zorin appearance. I know that you can customize Zorin OS really well. What is this? So this is like... So they have a bunch of layouts for different users, okay? Okay, but this video is not really about Zorin OS. I'm gonna see what other operating systems we have. Which one should we try? Anduin OS. I heard that this one is from a Microsoft developer. GNOME. Start. This one booted up so much quicker than Zorin. Let's see. Yeah, the layout really does look like Windows 11. Yes, it does. Does the internet work on this one? Can I watch YouTube? Yes, it works. So it's like I'm on a web browser streaming an operating system, and on that operating system I'm also on a web browser, okay? Such a weird way to watch videos. Okay, what else is there? Distro-C. Holo ISO, this is that Steam Dock OS that you can run on your PC. I want to try this one. Arch Linux. Let's wait for it to boot. Any second now. Welcome to the Arch Linux operating system running KDE Plasma. Okay, skip. Lost and found nested desktop. Oh, and now I have another desktop inside my desktop. Okay, let's go back. Distro-C, what else? It would be cool if I could upload my own ISO and just run that one. Although I can just use a virtual machine, actually. That kind of defeats the point. Wait, what would happen if I deleted root? I guess there's only one way to find out. Okay, Artix Linux, KDE Plasma. System monitor. I wonder if we can see the virtual machine settings that this is running on. It seems like we have only 4 GB of RAM allocated. Neofetch. These are the settings we are running on. We can see that we have 4 GB of RAM. Only. That's quite low. Okay, pretty cool. And I wonder, can I do some destruction on this one? Maybe don't try this at home, you know? Okay, I'm deleting the system on this one. Operation not permitted, but it should delete some files at least. Oh yeah, I broke Dolphin, the file manager. What would happen if I restarted? Let's see what happens when I can't even do that. I just broke my Linux and I can't restart. That's kind of all I wanted to share for today, and I hope you found it useful.